Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Star, Fool in reverse, and Wheel of Fortune. So Taurus, in your situation, guys, there are huge changes happening in your situation, maybe huge changes in your career or in your personal life, something that is coming about without you making any efforts for it. So maybe it may be destiny unfolding in a particular way for you guys. And today you may feel really distracted. Maybe there is something pressing in your situation. Maybe you are helping someone. Maybe you are going out of the way to help someone in your situation, maybe in your work, or it may be someone from your family. So you are not doing your usual thing today. Maybe you are taking care of someone or helping someone, so you are unable to do your work or being responsible today, guys, in your situation, Taurus. And I also see that you are having huge dreams, goals, and aspirations for a bright future and a great hope for your future, and you are seeing things unfolding in a better way, in a positive way in your life today. And you may feel that luck is playing its part, or you are being very lucky, or you are getting very lucky. Maybe you are seeing many opportunities or offers in your work situation. There may be new projects, something which you love to do, something which you expected for some time now, maybe. So you are getting those offers and opportunities today. And maybe in your relationship with this person also, guys, you are seeing happiness, you are feeling happy, contentment, emotional satisfaction because of the way things are between you both, and you both share a beautiful understanding with each other. And maybe this person is also taking part in your work, or they are also helping you today because you are in some kind of circumstance. Maybe you are forced to help someone, or something really pressing has come to you. You are the only one who can help them or support them. So maybe your person is also guiding you or helping you, doing whatever they can today. And that is the reason you are maybe absent from work, or you are taking time off from work, or your usual things you do today, guys, Taurus. So destiny is unfolding in a positive way for you all, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Four of Swords in reverse. So with this card, in your situation, in your relationship, there are few things happening. Maybe there may be some misunderstandings, some troubles, but you need to be really careful. If you are careful enough to avoid further misunderstandings or fights in this relationship, you are going to succeed, guys. And you are someone who is peace loving and you don't want to fight. So maybe today, if you avoid any hot situation between you both, you are going to overcome the difficulties you are having in your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Ace of Wands in reverse. So you are seeing a level of success in your life, but it needs a lot of effort. You are putting in tremendous efforts today, guys, to hold on to the success or proceed in a positive way in your work situation. And there may be huge opportunities coming towards you, but it demands a lot of skill, talents, and your time to make it manifest. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly, and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, It just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you're cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.